What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an object from a video in Canva PC. So for example, for this tutorial, let's remove the plate and the cactus plant. So the first step to do that is to go to share and you're going to click on Dovland. Then at file tab, you're going to select PNG. Then you're going to click on Dovland. Now what you want to do is to bring the Dovlanded image above the initial video. Let's match the resolution. And now what we want to do is to select the image, then we want to go to edit, then we're going to use the magic eraser from Magic Studio. Then we're going to select on click and you're going to select the object that you want to remove. For me is the plate and the cactus plant, so I'm going to click on erase. As you can see now it's been erased. So now what we want to do is to mask only the part we remove from the image. So to do that, all you have to do is to select the image and you're going to downscale it only to match that part, as I'm doing right now. And as you can see now, we just removed only an object from a video. It looks pretty good for me. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.